Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we will be learning how to fix AIB mobile application not working using your Android phone. If you are trying to log in and access your AIB bank application on your Android device, and if you are experiencing issues with it, then here are some steps you can try to resolve the problem. The first step is to clear out cache and data on your AIB application. Simply go ahead and find the AIB mobile app from your app drawer and press hold the app for a few seconds. Now in the pop-up, tap on App Info. This will directly take you to the App Info page without having to access the setting menu. Once you open up the App Info page, scroll down and tap Storage. Now, click on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner and tap on Clear Data at the bottom left and tap OK in the pop-up. Sometimes, corrupted data or cache can cause an app issue. So once you clear out your data and cache, there is a possibility that you may be able to fix your issue with the application. Simply go ahead and open the AIB mobile app after you do that, and then check if the problem still continues. If this does not fix your issue, the next thing you would want to do is update the app. Open your Google Play Store and then search for the AIB app in the search box. Type in AIB and search. Once you come across the AIB mobile application, tap it open and see if there is an update button available in it. If there is update option available, tap on update to get the latest version of AIB mobile application. Once you update the app, it may be able to fix bugs and compatibility issue. If the issue still continues, the next thing you can do is to reinstall the app. Go ahead and press hold the AIB mobile app and tap on uninstall. In the pop-up, tap OK. And once you uninstall the AIB mobile application, go back to your Google Play Store and re-download the app on your device. Tap on the install button to download the app back again and wait until it completes its installation. Once the app is completely downloaded, launch it open and log in as usual. So those were some of the steps you could take if you are experiencing issues with the AIB application on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.